Second vlog, and right now we just come upon the streets of near Sundhara, and this is Civil Mall. And you know, every products here are branded, and they tell us to simply just exit. Even like if you see the products out here, everything is very branded and very costly.
And the quality is perfect.
But quality is perfect, but very costly. I liked
It's
one of the
costly for
sweats.
us only. If you are earning more, then it's not costly at all.
Yes,
You should be
I
that much
I think I can
prices things.
I can afford in future maybe.
Yeah. So then,
Just look at this, the mall. Go to the lift downwards. Yeah, because
it's awkward. It's not also awkward.
downward is here. Oh. We are back again on the streets because that was really expensive, and I have to buy some things which I don't necessarily need to be expensive. For no rhymes and reasons, we are back again here at the same spot, and this is the real view of Narara. We were yesterday and again back again we are here, and just look at this. This is the real beauty of Kathmandu Valley, and we are near the Hanuman Dhoka, Basantapur, and it is raining right now. Literally so cool, warm, and aesthetic. I like the view. I like the monument, and actually these monuments are only the part of the Nepal historical things which increase the value and the beauty of Nepal. If you see, once just have a look. And so we are currently at near the Hanuman Dhoka, and if you see the monuments back,
It's a Basantapur.
these are really aesthetic.
It's a Basantapur.
This is Basantapur, and these are the things that actually improve the cultural beauty of Nepal, and the monuments really add upon it and just make it look so awesome and wonderful. This is cool, warm, and very beautiful. This is the real Hanuman Dhoka. Just look at the amount of people. You'll find too many foreigners out here, and plenty of Nepalese people who come often here to visit and have spent some good times. This is Nepal, you see. Just have a look around me. Everything around looks really awesome. English. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Rache Nij Man Mukur Sudhari Varnahu Raghuvar Vimal Jaso Jodaya Kupal Chari. There's a shoot going on out here. If you see this, there's a very famous actor of Nepal, Paul Shah, also shooting out here. And I think this is for any movie which shoot is going on. And if you see the person who is sitting on that chair is Paul Shah. He's a very famous Nepali actor in this young generation, very famous. We saw the shoot going on of Paul Shah, and she is the biggest fan of Paul Shah, right?
Not the biggest fan. Actually, in Nepalese industry, I like.
He's a really nice actor. Trust me, he's a brilliant actor. Fantastic, wonderful.
But he like the co-star.
Really good, very promising, very brilliant. But you know, the actress, she had really such a nice expression of the road, and this looks really fancy and very nice the evening and night
View
time.
of the night.
Yeah, beautiful view of the night.
Evening.
In the evening also. This is New Road. You will find only jewelry shops because people who come to visit Hanuman Dhoka, when they pass by, they also shop for Nepali cultural jewelries. And yes, there are clothes, but clothes minimal, but mostly jewelries. If you see the shops, everywhere there is just jewelry shop on this street. Okay, so this was the ending. This was I mean, seriously, are you waiting for any official ending? Again, we are the same spot, and this is the
So like bol.
Dharara, huh? Okay, for no, I'm let me speak. For no rhymes and regions, we are back again here at the same spot. And as you can see, this is the real view of Dharara. And firstly, let me say something.